So here we are up in La Macaza, and we are still prepping. We have a long way to go to get in shape. Pardon? And we're testing our what's it called, Erica? We're testing our inReach. We brought it up. Yes, we do have Wi-Fi up here, but we decided we were going to test our inReach because we're going to be carrying that. We're going to be carrying that when we go on our hike. It's going to be a small hike. It's only going to be a 3-day hike, but we're working our way up because we're going to do that one in the late spring, and then we're going to do another one in the summer, and finally we're going to do a bigger one in the fall. And then what we're going to do is next year we're going to do the East Coast. So we're building ourselves up so we can make it to the either the PC Trail, or we're going to do the Appalachian Trail. So we're working towards that. But just wanted to show you. Look how beautiful it is, guys. It's still snowy up here. There's lots of snow up in the Macaza, and it is just simply beautiful. This is my daughter. She thought she was going to be able to go and take some pictures, but she sunk into what would you call that? About 4 feet of snow. Oh my Lord. So anyhow, we're having a good time. Chi has got more strength than we do because we're getting tired. It's a whole different ball game hiking on ground and hiking on snow. Hiking on snow can be a little crazy, and that's what we're doing right now. Sorry about that, my hand. So yeah, just wanted to give you a small update. I want to say I love you guys, and thanks for all those wonderful comments on my new backpacking meal, the creamy Alfredo. And yeah, hi Eric. Here's my Cheech. JJ. Isn't that great? I love going on the Petit Train du Nord. There's toilets, there's places to rest, and lots of snow, guys. A little harder to walk with all the snow, but the snow's pretty level unless you go onto the side. Some places are a little deep, as my daughter can tell you. Oh, what is this?
What? This is the outhouse, but
yes, but what are those?
How are we gonna get to it?
Well,
that's probably snowshoes.
Snowshoes, eh? Well, you gotta pee?
No, but I'm just saying if someone needs to get to
yeah, you gotta walk on there.
No, this is gonna go deep.
No, it's not gonna go. Try.
Yes.
No, go. Flat foot. Don't put your foot there. You have to go?
No, I'm just saying.
I might have to go. Come on, Cheech. You want to carry him a bit? Maybe my hand's like turning purple. Ow. You got him? Alright. So I gave Erica Chi because it's just way too much for me right now. Hey? Sorry? Oh, I wish I had my Sawyer, yeah. We were testing some of our hiking stuff, like the our Garmin, just to see how, you know, how long it takes them to get messages, and it was pretty quick. But we do have Wi-Fi up here. We do have like we can use our cell phones up here. It's not so look how beautiful, guys. We're able to use our cell phone, so we could have simply just called my husband, but we want to just test the inReach and see how that works. And he got a message pretty quick, so, and it's even for us to get used to how to use it. I know we could connect it to our phones. I'm not sure if you connected yours to your phone? Because what's good about this InReach, I'll show you the one we have. I'll make a video on all the gear that we have. This is our InReach, and what's good about this, we could actually connect this with our phone, and it's going to be easier for us to text people back and forth. I mean, you can still text with this. There's preset texting that you can do where you preset some messages before you go. Example like, hi, we're here, having a great time. And the preset, there's 3 of them that are completely free as many times as you want to use them, because you do need a plan. So we're just practicing, getting used to using it. Can you hook me, Eric? So we're doing that. We weren't able to turn our water on because our pipes froze at my mother-in-law's house. So Erica brought her Sawyer squeeze, and we could simply just melt some snow in the back, get some snow melted, and just filter it so we could drink that, because we're only staying 1 day. We wanted to come yesterday, but it was raining so bad up here that I said, what's the use of just going there and sitting in the house? When I come up here, I want to be outside the house. So let me see if I can flip this over. Eric. Gigi. JJ. Hi, baby. You're so wet. You're so wet. You see yourself? You're so wet. Hi. It's that way. Look how nice it is. So that's it. So thanks guys for all those wonderful comments that you made on my new meal. It's actually very delicious, right, Erica? Mm-hmm. How good is it? And we hardly have any left because my daughter ate them all. So I'm gonna have to make new batches for when we do our hikes. But we do have a lot of food already, so I'm not worried about that. So love you guys, and I just wanted to show you how pretty it is up here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Cold? Are you cold? No, I don't see chaga. Is it? Let me see. Yeah. Okay, Chi-Chi. So we're back home, and my husband wasn't able to get the water going. The pipes are still frozen, but it's frozen on the outside. So this is what you do when you gotta do some dishes or you have to drink some water. You melt the snow outside, and you're going to filter it. And as long as we can melt it, even if it's cold, still cold the water. My daughter brought her soya squeeze, so we can get this clean. And with the soya squeeze, it cleans 99.999999. So you know that the water is going to be good to drink. But to do dishes, I just put it through a cloth and get all the little twigs, as you can tell, all the little pine needles off, and then just throw some water in the sink. I've got some hot one on one side, some cold, some other water on the other side. So I do dishes, rinse, and then put away. So this is really off-grid at the moment, even though the house is not off-grid. Right now we're living off-grid, which is exciting for us because we love doing stuff like this. But there you go. You need some water, melt it down, and let it boil, filter it, and you've got fresh water, especially if you're up north and you still have lots of snow outside, which we do. We have lots of snow still. It's melting, but there's still a lot of snow. And if not, find a creek nearby, get yourself some water, and you can still manage to stay in a house even if the water is not going. So there you go, guys. Love you. Talk to you soon.
For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to Connie's RAWsome Kitchen, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends.